In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and drag it to remove section at the top. When you see that the search bar is see-through, let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine was successfully removed. If you want to restore it, you can always do that by holding your display and accessing widgets at the bottom left corner. Then scroll to tap on the Google app. Scroll again, click on your search bar and select Add. Then hold it and place it wherever you wish. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!